Some people don't realize that a lot of these state parks that are geared around fishing have fish cleaning stations. There's a fish cleaning station right over here next to Lake Burton. It's pretty cool. Let's check this out. They have all kinds of state park signs in here. Look at this. Newspapers for fish cleaning station. That's some Seattle stuff right there. You think they're like throwing them and catching them and wrapping them up. Got the water hose and a great place to flush your guts. I mean, this is all good stuff. Please put all fish heads and skins in the trash can. Don't do what I just said. And keep it clean and use the newspaper, which is over here. In the fish cleaning section here, you can roll your fish up in the UGA Athletic Association. It's a great spot. It's for registered campers only though. Come over here to Moccasin Creek. It's a cool place. I like this dude's hat. That's pretty good.